Another day and another 1700 socket to be replaced. This time we have ProArt Z790 Creator Wi-Fi edition. The outline is unfortunately one of those really crappy ones. So the socket is sitting on the right line and is away from the left line. It's slightly bumped from the top and it's sitting at the bottom. It's kind of on some of these boards, the outline is like that. So you just have to look at it before you remove it and just remember how to align the socket. If you don't check it out and you take the socket off and you align it exactly to the lines, it's not gonna work. Well, depending on the distance, because the socket will be pulled a little bit, but it's a minute difference between or distance between two pods. It's very minute, so it can be a little tricky. The last one we did had awesome outline, but it warped like crazy. So let's hope this one doesn't warp, or at least not that much. I'm going to use my standard profile, because my no preheat profile, it doesn't seem to perform that great. It gets the job done, sure, but I was hoping that it would prevent warping even more, because it's much more steady, slow ramp. But instead, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my regular technique of preheating it first and then running the profile, but I'm going to reduce the ramp on this profile. All right, let's speed up the footage and get it done.